Hey guys, I'm Natalia, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at this Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 instant camera. This camera is very fun to play around, it's a very beautiful camera, and today I will show you what's all included in this camera. We will discuss the prices, the colors. I will also tell you some shooting tips because this is an instant camera and it shoots with the film, so you won't have any digital copy of your pictures. So it's very important that you learn some tips before you start using it, to save your money, nerves, and save your time. So guys, please watch this video till the end and let's get going.
So here is our Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 instant camera. This is an instant camera, it shoots with the film. This is what you get. You won't have any digital copy of the image, so make sure that you keep this shot safe. Instax Mini 9 is an entry-level model for the Fujifilm Instax line. The Mini 9 goes for about 4,000 right now on Amazon.in. Different colors are available. You can find the link in the description below. Instax Mini 9 comes in 5 different colors. Every color is really beautiful. I personally like the pink one the most. Now, very important thing is that this camera doesn't come with the film. Whenever you buy Instax Mini 9, film doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separately because you don't want to come home and have nothing to shoot with. The film is quite expensive. It's 500 rupees for one box of 10 cartridges. So it's very important to learn some shooting tips before you start using the camera, otherwise you will just waste your money. Now let's open the box and see what is included in Instax Mini 9. Now first of all we have our camera, of course, beautiful pink color Instax Mini 9. Now this is a wristband which comes with it. Let's see what else is there. Now here is the close-up lens attachment. And now instruction manuals. What else is there? Really cool sticker is there. Yeah, more instruction manuals in different languages, which are boring. So now let's try and turn it on. Now I'll show you how to set up the camera. We have to open the battery door, pop it down, put in the batteries. Now close the battery door. Your camera is set up now. Now it's time to turn it on. It's quite fun. You see this little button here? We'll push this button. Let's push it, and now see, lens popped out just like that. Now how do we know it's on? See this orange indicator on the top? See here, if it's on, it means our camera is on, and now we can start. Now comes the important part. We have to load it with the film. First of all, turn it off. Now we have to open the back door, and let me show you with my niece Naisha how we will install the film inside.
Wow!
Wow.
What a solid cartridge!
Huh. I know.
It also has
We'll open
the cartridge.
camera
Wow!
and we will put it according to the golden strap.
Now we will close it.
Close it. Is it closing?
Here.
Alright, this was really fun. Now our film is loaded. There is some yellow indicator here, right here, that shows film is inside. Guys, we are almost ready to take our first shot, but before that you need to know something. In your pack of film there is something called dark slide. This dark slide basically protects your film from any damage, and film has so many chemicals that it needs to be protected. So whenever you will click the shutter, you press the shutter for the first time, this black slide, dark slide will come out. Not your picture, this dark slide will come out. Let's move to another shooting tip. Now this camera has inbuilt flash in it, and this inbuilt flash is not exactly flattering when you shoot faces, whenever you shoot people indoors. So I suggest that you take pictures outdoors for the better results, because we know how flash sometimes kind of spoils our pictures. You can't turn it off in this camera. It's inbuilt and it will always shoot with the flash. Now another important tip for shooting with this camera is that it's equipped with the light meter. See this light on top? So light meter is a device which basically reads the amount of light coming into the camera. See these two dots? Never cover them while you're shooting, because you will spoil the image. So the way it works, this camera looks at the amount of light and decides the settings it should give you. The orange light will be on the settings, and this is what camera thinks the settings should be. You have to manually adjust it and decide. If you don't adjust it properly, your photos won't come nicely. Another important thing about this camera, it has minimum focusing distance. The distance between the subject and the camera should not be less than 60 centimeters, otherwise the picture won't come out. And this is selfie mirror. You can look at this mirror and take a nice selfie. It's always nice to see what you're shooting. And look here, on the back of the camera will be the number, which indicates the number of photos left. Always check it. And this will be the eyepiece. We look here and we take a picture, just like in every single camera. Alright guys, camera is on, light settings are done. Now we are ready to take our shot.
Now let's try to selfie.
Let's try.
Yeah. Whoa!
Wow. Now this will not be a picture. This is just a first cartridge. It's a black cartridge. Let's take another one now. Alright?
Now let's see
Wow.
a picture. Whoa!
Can you see anything?
Alright, so it will take around 90 seconds for the picture to develop. In the meantime, do not shake it, just keep it still somewhere. And so this is Instax Mini 9. We discussed all the shooting tips today. I hope the video was useful, and if it was, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them. Thank you so much for watching this video.